Something just came in the mail. What's going on, guys? John Older here from Codemy.com, and it finally came. It came in the mail. The 100,000 subscriber plaque from YouTube. Very excited. I'm gonna confess, I already opened it, so let's crack this thing open. Ooh, a nice letter from the CEO of YouTube. Very cool. Some felt. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All right, let's open this. Ooh, look at that. Presented to Codemy.com for passing 100,000 subscribers, YouTube. Very shiny. That's all for this video. I just wanted to show you guys this. I'm super stoked about getting this. Whew, it's been a long time coming. We worked so hard to get here. And thanks again, all you guys, for watching and subscribing. And we'll see you in the next video.